Hello, dear viewers. Today, we will discuss the fascinating topic of making money on the xBlast platform. If you are interested in online earning opportunities and are looking for an effective way to generate additional income, then you are in the right place. xBlast is an innovative platform that offers unique earning opportunities. Let's look at this in more detail. What is xBlast? The world of cryptocurrencies is constantly evolving, with new innovative projects regularly appearing. Among the latest is xBlast, an innovative decentralized Web3 application built on the Blast Layer 2 network in Telegram. Launched just 5 days ago, xBlast offers a unique opportunity for early users to get involved in a promising mining project with huge potential. In essence, xBlast is a decentralized application, DApp, that easily integrates into every Telegram account, providing users with a convenient and accessible platform for mining cryptocurrencies. Built on the Blast Layer 2 network, xBlast offers all the advantages of decentralization, including on-chain functionality and security measures that do not require storage. The cornerstone of the xBlast ecosystem is the $xBL token, which serves as the native currency underlying this revolutionary initiative. Early users have a unique opportunity to receive $xBL tokens simply by participating in the mining process, which can be initiated through a simple account creation process. Now I will show you how to connect xBlast. Follow the link in the video description. Here is the interface. Here, we can track the current balance and receive the tokens we have been funding. Here we can perform tasks so that tokens are automatically collected throughout the day without your help. Here we can boost coin mining. As someone who follows cryptocurrency mining closely, I can confidently say that xBlast is a project you don't want to miss. With an innovative approach to mining, a decentralized ecosystem, and lucrative opportunities for early adopters, xBlast has all the makings of a game changer. Although the project is still in its infancy, having been launched only a few days ago, the potential for growth and value creation is enormous. Many crypto influencers and industry insiders are already starting to take notice, and it's only a matter of time before xBlast gains widespread attention. If you want me to tell you more about xBlast, write about it in the comments, and if you have any questions, write them in the comments, put likes, subscribe to the channel, as there will soon be a lot of cool videos on making money on cryptocurrency. Thank you all for watching, see you soon.